this jar of $20 coins. Please don't click off the video. You ever just want to achieve something that doesn't necessarily have any huge significance, but you just want to achieve it? Like you wanting to eat off all your dinner tonight, or you wanting to get 10 hours of sleep tonight because, well, it's been just such a stressful week and you literally deserve it. Well, that's kind of like me and this jar of $20 coins. This story is just like any other story about a man and his jar of $20 coins. Trivial. This is a jar of tropical rhythms juice that I actually just cleaned out and decided to just throw some $20 coins into it. Why? I don't know. There's a lot of reasons why people do things, and half the time we don't even know why we're actually doing them. Well, that's pretty woke. So the aim of me doing this thing that I'm not really too sure why I'm doing is to get this jar filled to the literal brim with $20 coins. Ideally, it'll only take me like a week or less, but I can assure you that this video will not end until I have filled this jar with $20 coins. Damn! So, how am I gonna do this? Well, wait. What the heck? Only $20 coins. Anyways, so I actually have a plan. First, search on my house and see if I can find only $20 coins. Secondly, if that doesn't work, then I'll have to just beg. And lastly, if neither of those things work, I'll just have to give in and just like exchange money for coins. So let's just start this out. And here's the thing about this. Of course, I'm going to know exactly how much money is in this jar, but you won't. And that's why at the end of this video, I'm going to be throwing it out to you guys to guess in the comments how much money is actually in the jar at the end of the video. I mean, if somebody actually gets it right, I don't know, expect a DM from me or something like that. So honestly, I'm actually really excited about this video and I don't even know why. But yeah, let's get it, guys. Okay, so first we're going to be looking in my room for some $20 coins. I think I might have some here. No, all I found was an extra dongle. It's not in there. Oh my gosh. Alright, so okay, let's go. Right here is kind of dark. Just Christmas decorations. The jackpot, but they're all $1 coins. Ooh, mint. Nothing. Not Barbie. Just $1 coins. Alright guys, so it doesn't look like that one worked out. Did not get even one $20 coin throughout the house. I would have looked in the settees, in the couches, but couches are kind of new, so those wouldn't have them in there. Alright, so that just brings me to step 2. Let's go. You have any $20?
No.
I mean, come on. I really hope the lighting is good. Guys, as you can see, I was not able to fulfill my promise to you guys to fill up the jar to the brim with $20 coins. $20 coins, I don't know, it's like they're hard to get. Maybe I didn't go to the right places, but really it's disappointing. I'm not rich, I'm broke. But you know, I'm still going to title this video I'm rich, you know, because I need y'all to click on it. I don't know if it will work. Maybe it worked. I don't know. I mean, if you're watching it now, maybe it worked. I shouldn't have expected me to be able to fill up this jar in like a week, realistically speaking. But that doesn't mean that I will give up on it. This calls for part 2 next year though. Next year, definitely next year. And by the way guys, I definitely didn't want to drag this out any longer. I have a lot of videos planned for next year, and I want to clear out the catalog that I have for this year. It's kind of been like 3 weeks since I started this. I started it in mid-November, and now it's mid-December. Wow. I haven't been going out very often, I guess. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for part 2. That's me, Shamar Crossfield. Yeah.